Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says let O be the origin and let PQR be an arbitrary triangle. So, suppose we have a triangle PQR. So, it is P, it is Q, it is R, and O is the origin. Let S be the point. Let S is a point such that this equals to this equals to this. So there is point S. Okay, it is somewhere. So it is located in such a way so that this thing is equal to this thing and it is equal to this thing. Then the triangle PQR has SS. So you have to name this point S. That what is the name of this point S? So it is something equal to something equal to something. So what I will do, I will handle one of the, like I'll handle two somethings, means this with this. Okay. So we have OP.OQ plus OR.OS equals OR.OP plus OQ.OS. Okay, and if you'll observe, it is similar. Now, if you'll observe, you don't know who is P, who you don't know who is Q, you don't know who is R, so you cannot do anything else. Okay, so what I will do, look at this, it contains OP, it contains OP. So I will ask this person to come this side, and it contains OS, it contains OS. So I'll club these two things. Okay. So if you will ask that part to come this side, you can take OP vector common. We will be left with OQ minus OR. Okay. Then plus. We will take OS common. So OS if we will take common. Okay. We will have OR minus OQ. Okay. OS common. Yes. But OS is plus. Yes, yes. Now look at this. Now observe this part. It is OQ minus OR. It is OR minus OQ. So can I take minus common? So we will be left with OP. This thing will become, wait, I'll write later. Let's copy paste. OR vector. If I'll take minus OS vector, we are left with OQ vector minus OR vector equals 0. Now what I will do, I will take OQ minus OR vector common. So OQ minus OR means what? Final minus initial. So final minus initial means what? It is RQ vector. RQ vector. Okay. Dot OP minus OS vector. So OP minus OS vector means what? Again we can think about final minus initial. Okay, so can I write RQ vector dot SP vector equals to 0? So we have this idea. Okay, now so RQ is this vector, SP is this vector. Okay, and it is 0. You know that RQ is not 0, SP is not 0. So this means what? The angle between RQ and SP will be what? 90 degree. Okay. So SP and RQ would be 90. Similarly, RS and PQ will be 90 degree. Similarly, QS and PR will be 90 degree. This means here we will have S. Okay, You can manipulate this with this, you will have similar result. You can manipulate this with this, you will have again similar element. So you got your S. Now think that, sir, it is intersection of altitudes. Okay, so in a triangle, intersection of altitude is nothing but orthocenter. Okay, so this point S is nothing but orthocenter. I hope you got the approach and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of Mathflix.